Okay, so my daughter created a new account and we don't know how to access through the web. And then when we try to go to the web, I accidentally signed out from her original account, but now the password doesn't match. So my other solution to redeem the code, to redeem Roblox, is to go into the applications. So we're gonna go into the applications, and this is the new account that she created, and we don't even know the password either. So, but the easiest way that you can actually buy through here, you can redeem through here also. And then we're gonna click where it says more, and then we're gonna click where it says redeem code, and then we're gonna enter the code. Okay, so now we have entered all the codes, so we're gonna click redeem. All right, so it says code successfully redeemed. So now we have $10 will be added to your credit, available credit. Now you own a Steam Poke Station helmet. So we're gonna go back to redeem. As you can see, we have available credit, $10. Now we're gonna buy Robux. We're gonna click Robux, and then we're gonna convert $10 into Robux. And it has been done, so we're gonna go back into the main page and to the home, and we're gonna see how many Robux she has. She has 1,002 Robux. And then notice when I click here, you can also purchase Robux directly through here, from 99 cents all the way to $200. Or you can select this at $99 a month. You don't want to do that. But anyways, it's like having a subscription too. But anyways, this is how you can buy straight from here too. So let's say I want to buy 99 cents. It says to purchase it, you have to be 18 hours. So okay. And that it will prompt you to buy this online. But we're not gonna do that. That's another way to purchase Robux online, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.